Hello and welcome to another tutorial video. Today in this video I'm going to teach you how to permanently delete your eHarmony account. To delete the eHarmony account, you need to be logged into your account. So the homepage will look like this after you log into your account, and in the top right corner of the screen you can see a badge with your profile picture on it. You have to click on that and click on data and settings and scroll down on this page. You can see an option which is profile visibility. From this option you can permanently delete your account. So if you just want to hide your account but want your information to be stored in eHarmony site, you can just hide your account from the users so you can again use it later. If you want to permanently delete your account, you can also do that by clicking on to delete your profile permanently. Please click here. You have to click on here to delete your profile permanently. So I'm going to click here. And in this step, you have to enter your password for the account to delete it. Fill in the password of your account here and click on delete profile. This is all the things you have to do to delete your profile. You won't be visible anywhere after you delete your account. I hope you like this video. Thank you for watching.